friends, and thank you very much for watching. So today I have a very special video for you, and I hope this will be particularly interesting for the jewelry lovers out there. Now, if you follow me for a long time, you probably know already that I love jewelry. I love collecting jewelry, vintage, new, high street, designer. I love learning about it. I love wearing it. And today's video is dedicated to only one jewelry brand, and that's Mene. So as you probably guessed, Mene is a jewelry company, and it crafts 24 karat gold and platinum investment jewelry. The company itself was founded not so long ago by Roy Sebang and Diana Picasso. Now, something that is very unique about them is that they transparently sell every piece on their website, so you know exactly what are you paying for. They even have a little chart for all their items where they include the weight of the item, also the gold value, as well as the Mene fee. And another interesting thing about them is that if you bought something from Mene and you want to exchange the item, or for example you want to just sell the item, you can sell it back to them and they will take only a 10% fee for that item. Now, before I will tell you more about Mene, I wanted to show you actually the item that I got from them, because they were generous enough to send me a small piece from their collection. It's just something really simple but at the same time really classy, and I'm talking about the ring, and it's this cuff ring. In my opinion, this is probably the most universal and timeless ring you can have in your jewelry collection, and of course it's the main reason why I chose it. Now, when you get your order, you will actually get the Mene bag, little bag. So it's kind of like you went to the shop to buy this item, plus a little card with some more information about the Mene pieces, as well as the certificate of authenticity. As a side note, I want to say that I really like the branding. I really like that they chose, you know, this dark navy color with gold. I love their packaging a lot. It's just super elegant. It looks very expensive. It feels very expensive. And their promo pictures as well, absolutely stunning. How they did this like a black and white photo with the gold details. So the gold jewelry, it's really intense, it's really bright, it's like in your face, but I think again it's very luxurious looking. It's really nice. My cuff ring has 14.60 grams of 24 karat gold. I'm stressing that the company works only with 24 karat gold because this is the pure gold. It never tarnishes. It will maintain this rich gold color and this luster. There is also the 18 karat gold, which has only 70% of gold. The 14 karat gold has 58% of gold, and again the rest other metals and so on. All their designs are inspired by antiquity, and you can clearly see that in all their pieces. Just very clean looking, enhancing the magic of gold in a way, like an homage, but at the same time they still keep that timeless fashion element to them. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, Mene is an investment jewelry. So you not only buy a beautiful piece of jewelry for yourself or for your loved ones, but you also give them that value, that investment element as well. Gold will never lose its value, and in fact, because of its small quantities in nature, I think its value only will increase, you know, in time. So if you're looking to buy something for, I don't know, a family member or for your loved ones, you can definitely have a look on their website and learn more about the company, learn more about gold in general. As always, you will find in the description box a little bit more information about Mene, as well as the link to their website. And that's it for today. I hope you're having a lovely day so far, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!